Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you're okay. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to send a file from an Android device to a MacBook. I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, but it should work for other devices as well. So let's get into it. So what you want to do is open up settings on your phone and go to Bluetooth, and once you're on that just scroll down until you see your MacBook. Another way you can do it is go to settings on your Mac and then go to Bluetooth, and once you're there just wait for your phone to appear under nearby devices. It might take a couple of seconds. But once it has appeared, just click connect and a pop-up will appear. It will also appear on your phone. All it is a pairing code. Just make sure both codes are correct and match and click OK, and also on your phone click pair. And once that's done, you just want to make sure that on your Mac, Bluetooth sharing is turned on. Now I'm going to show you how to actually transfer a file. In this case it's going to be a photo, so that's what I'll be sending over. So I'll just take a quick one. Now that I've done that, I'm going to click the share icon, then click Bluetooth, and then click my laptop. And then a pop-up will appear about a Bluetooth file transfer that will also appear on your Mac. Depending on what it is you're sending over, if it's a photo it could take like 30 seconds, but if it's a video it will take much longer. It just depends on the size, but if it's a document it shouldn't take too long. And once the transfer is complete it will be in your downloads folder. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.